Okay, so here we're going to give it a title and add some sections. So you can add the title here or here, doesn't matter where. And let's say I'm going to be doing all about atoms. Okay, and then let's see. Hopefully, it usually changes up there. There it goes. So it automatically should link it there. So I've changed my title. And now I'm going to add some sections. The first section is usually you can ask for their name. If you're doing it in Google Classroom, then you don't need really that function because they're each going to get their own link or copy to it anyway. So not really copy of it, but it's going to connect to um, their own version, so to speak. So a lot of times if I'm giving it out through Google Classroom, I don't put a name, but you can put a name here or some sort of intro question. Maybe you want to know what period they're in. But again, if you're putting it out through Google Classroom, then you don't have to do that necessarily. But let's say you do want to do that. Last name, first name. And in this first section, you might want to add, I like adding pictures or GIFs or something fun to get it started. But you want to add more sections. We go here, over here on the right. The last thing is adding sections. And maybe you're going to chunk your information. Maybe you're going to do protons, however you want to divvy up and chunk the information for them. Neutrons, electrons. All right. And then always, no matter, even if you're only having two sections, right? Maybe pros and cons, right? You definitely want to like, congrats or good work. Some sort of ending section. Even if you're just going to have a GIF there or a picture or something, um, give them that feedback. The point of a Google form in this way is for it to be interactive with them, right? So you want them to get the feedback from the actual form. Okay, so you definitely want an ending section, a beginning section, and some sections in between. You may also want to add sections if you're going to do branching, and we're going to talk more about that in the branching video. But definitely add sections by chunking your information. Maybe you have an intro to the topic, maybe a vocabulary section, and then maybe a real world application or how it connects to them section. Lots of ways of chopping up what you're going to be either assessing them on or teaching them. Okay, hope that helps.